Is your Ecovacs Deebot T9 acting like it's forgotten how to walk? Or maybe it's developed a habit of taking unauthorized naps right in the middle of the hallway. Now you might think a wheel is jammed or a motor is blown, but here's the plot twist. The real culprit is usually a faulty battery. When the battery can't provide a consistent flow of voltage, the Deebot T9's brain gets confused, its motors lose power, and the whole system just gives up. Ignoring this isn't just a dusty floor problem. Forcing a robot with a failing battery to keep working can cause permanent stress to the motherboard, turning your premium vacuum into a very expensive doorstop. Don't lose hope. RoboCare has the solution to get your robot back on its feet. We know exactly what makes the Deebot T9 tick, and more importantly, what causes it to stop. While a movement error might look like a mechanical failure, our advanced diagnostic tools often tell a different story. We use precision voltage load testers to analyze the battery's health in real time. Often, we find the battery is unable to sustain the peak current required for the motors to turn, causing the robot to shut down as a safety precaution. Our solution is thorough. We perform a comprehensive system check and replace that faulty battery with a genuine component. We don't just get it moving, we restore its original stamina. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Look at that. Total restoration. No more errors, no more stuttering, just flawless navigation and maximum suction power. It's like a brand new robot vacuum for a fraction of the cost. Ready to save your robot vacuum? Contact RoboCare today for expert repairs on all brands. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.